We f***ed up. We accidentally used copyrighted music and YouTube took this video down. Let's see if you can guess which was the copyrighted music. Oh, and Ryan was on another podcast. It's called This Ocean Life. Check it out. The link is below. Previously on To Afloat, while we were heading back to Tahiti, the transmission went out. Only the reverse position was still working, so in the middle of the night, Ryan brought us through the pass in reverse.
So I'm going to attempt to enter the pass in reverse, over.
How the heck are we going to fix this transmission? After pulling the heat exchanger and meeting with Adrian, and Ryan and Adrian discussing everything that needs to be done to get this new transmission in, today's task is to pull all of the hoses because this engine needs to be moved. It's time to lift the engine.
Hold this until I take the sled.
Yep. Beautiful. I just send you okay.
They got the engine up.
Nice.
And now the engine has to go back in. And we wait for a new transmission. Round one with the engine.
Stairs are for pussies. I'm a pussy. Can I please have the stairs?
Oh, the stairs. Oh. Just kidding. Carl! Va préparer ton matos! Yannick's wife. You met Yannick before.
Thank you to Yannick and Woody for being our host and our referee.
I am not kiting. It's gnarly out there and it's more of an advanced spot. I'm beach support, grass support. They're pumping up their kites and launching from the church property. Right there. The most beautiful view in the world. It's spectacular.
Yeah, the God is here. Then nothing bad can happen today.
They have to watch where they walk because really sharp rocks. Apparently there's some stonefish too. Oh, lovely. Aïe! Nicole, mes fesses!
She scraps her ace. And maybe Woody will do the same, and Ryan too.
And Ryan also. Let's see if Woody's gonna take out Yannick when he lands his kite to him. That was a perfect landing! I'm so impressed! Another beautiful landing by Ryan Levinson. It looked kind of gnarly out there.
It is gnarly.
Want to eat the reef?
I can see the rocks. It was super choppy and the wind was up and down. In the pass, there's all kinds of weird current and big weird swells. What is it, like maybe half a mile out there? It's fun. Good session.
Like your shorts, wow, cool.
Those are cute.
Yeah.
Duct tape. If you can't,
can't.
No, the duct tape. If you can't duck it,
If you can't duck it, you can't fuck it. No.
close. If you can't duck it, fuck it.
Okay.
Like forget it.
You can't duck it, fuck it.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yannick apprend anglais.
Big Titty Girl song is famous too.
Big titty girl.
Yeah. You got it.
Titty girl. What's big
For
titty
people
girl that I
Big
yeah,
titty
they
girl
say-
the song.
down.
Okay. Titty Girl. Keep going.
Big titty girl coming over the hill. I want to play with your bibs.
Round two of lifting the engine. This time we're solo because the guy didn't show up today. So now Ryan's trying to rig up, lifting David, something lifting, pulling. Getting that engine out was gnarly. It was scary. I mean, we're hooking it up to the boom, which can take a lot of weight, but oh my gosh, and all these pulleys, and this engine is heavy. 550 pounds. But it actually went pretty smoothly. I don't want to jinx it because we have to put it back in. Be good to your engine. Ryan is using a special wrench that tightens the bolts to a certain tension, right?
To exactly the right.
Oh, to exactly the right tension. Check it out.
When it clicks, you know that you're done.
Now this damper plate is installed and torqued to spec. On to the next thing.
We have a new transmission. Dremel, rusty bolts and nuts, not going back into the transmission like this. All done, an hour later, and these aren't not going into the transmission. They're for the coupling, or something like that. Anyway, they're nice and clean and ready to go. So one of the things we had to do
I'll do it on the computer
was take this G10 and get it cut so that it would fit under the engine mounts, because actually with this new transmission, it's not, they don't make the one that we had previously because it's 30 years old. So the one that we have now, the new one, is slightly bigger, and with that we have to raise the engine a half an inch.
Hey Nicole,
Yeah?
go ahead and tension the lift, please.
Okay.
Right now, Adrian is aligning the engine, moving the engine a little bit left, a little bit right, a little bit up, a little bit down, and then checking the space in between where the gearbox comes out. It's like a flat piece, and where the propeller shaft has a flat piece. He's making sure that those are thousandths of an inch, tiny little gap, like the perfect woman. He's getting it just right.
There is an opening on the top part of the coupling, so that means that we have to bring the engine up.
Adrian's trying to get it up right now.
Day 3 of the transmission and engine mission. And now Ryan is hooking everything back up. Thankfully, he labeled the hoses and the wires. Throttle cable,
Connected.
engine kill,
Connected.
alternator wiring,
Done.
ground wire to coolant tank, engine,
Done.
temp sender side coolant tank.
Done.
The engine has all its fluid, things have been bled. Moment of truth.
You ready to start?
Ready to start?
Clear.
Clear?
Stay away from the belt.
Okay. First try! Woo! Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to our fantastic patrons. Thank you.
You make this possible. Links below.
If you'd like to join the Two Float family, find our link below.
I'm squeezing her boob.
Cut.